coach, kailan kaya masasabi, eto na talaga yung right niche ko? Okay, here's the thing with picking the right niche. By nature, we want certainty. Di po ba? Maaring bago kayo nag-enroll sa IBMC, maybe you ask around. Totoo ba itong Jon Orana na to? Maybe you message some of my students. Totoo ba si Jon Orana? Meron po ba ritong gano'n? We always want certainty. Ano ibig sabihin certainty? Gusto natin sigurado. Tama po. Right? When picking a niche, here's the thing. No one can really exactly tell you where to go and what to do. I mean, I can tell you what to do, to research your market, to validate it and all. Pero yung pinaka-last decision, it will be your decision. The reason people cannot go over that decision because they're always looking for certainty. They're always looking for sigurado. So just follow my instructions and then dumating ka sa point na, okay, based sa research on, this is a good one and go for it. Just go and do not even look back. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.